Stretching. We will strengthen 10 tons of the NORDBERG 3810 model. It is a device for straightening the car body after an accident or other mechanical damage. The kit includes 15 items, such as various kinds of nozzles, adapters, a stand, a direct-acting cylinder, a hydraulic pump with a force of 10 tons. All elements of the set are distinguished by durability and high quality of execution. The kit also includes extension cords for 110, 265, 365 and 520 mm. In this review, we will show the work of stretching on 3 subjects, where the first of them is a wedge-shaped spacer attachment for 145 mm. The pump itself is equipped with an overload protection valve. The anti-corrosion coating successfully prevents the destruction of the surface of the elements under the influence of moisture. In addition to stretching, we recommend a coupling cylinder. It is not included in the package. The most popular model on the market is the NORDBERG N3810 with a force of 10 tons and with a hydraulic stroke of 150 mm. Note that thanks to the hydraulic drive, the operator exerts a minimum of effort during operation. We will also test the direct-acting cylinder, which comes as standard. By the way, all straightening elements in the set are made of alloy hardened steel by casting and subsequent forging. This means that the equipment responds with reliability and ensures safety at work. The cylinders automatically return to their original position when the load is removed. The set is located in a durable, convenient plastic case with reliable latch locks, which allows you to carefully store all the details in one place. The presence of wheels will ensure mobility and ease of transportation. This type of equipment is an indispensable assistant during straightening work.